Hello friends, welcome to my channel Science for Agri course. Friends, in this video we will discuss the previous year management trainee question paper with answers and explanation. This is the question paper of National Seeds Corporation Management Trainee Examination of the year 2019. Even if you are preparing for the trainee examination or senior trainee examination or management trainee examination, try to solve these question papers as there is lot of chance that these questions might appear in the year 2020 examination also, and you'll have a clear idea of what type of questions may be asked in the examination. So my suggestion is to take a book and pen and try to solve the question paper. Is necessary, try to take some of the important points while solving the questions and some of the important topics which you have to focus while answering the question paper. If you haven't checked my previous video on senior trainee question paper of the year 2019, the link will be given in the description box. You can watch the video by clicking on that link. So let's start solving the agriculture questions of the year 2019 management trainee paper. So friends, the first question is calcium deficiency causes toxicity of manganese. The second question is blue chaff disease of oats is due to the deficiency of molybdenum. Friends, while preparing for the examinations, try to remember that you have to focus on the deficiency symptoms and toxicity symptoms or the diseases which are caused due to deficiencies and toxicities of minerals. The next question is chlorine is associated to photosynthesis in production of. The answer is oxygen. Fourth question, free floating freshwater fern is azolla. Fifth question, border strip of irrigation is followed in. The answer is wheat. Sixth question, the nutrient removed in maximum quantity by paddy crop is. The answer is potash. Seventh question, antagonism of manganese exists with. The answer is iron. See, you can see there are many questions on the nutrients, minerals and those concepts. So try to focus on those concepts also while preparing for the examination. Next question, eighth question is depression in efficiency of rhizobium is due to. The answer is excessive nitrogen use. Ninth question, purple pigmentation in brassicas is due to. The answer is phosphorus deficiency. 10th question, which herbicide is also a hormone? 2,4-D is also a hormone. The answer is 2,4-D. Next question, H777 is a variety of cotton. 12th question, yellow mosaic in soybean is spread by. The answer is whitefly. 13th question, copper deficiency is a problem in which part of India? The answer is south. 14th question, objectionable weed for seed production of wheat is. The answer is Convolvulus arvensis. You have to read the objectionable weeds for different crops, for rice, wheat, maize, all those crops. Next question, which element is maximum in black soil? The answer is potash. 16th question, one more deficiency symptom question. Boron deficiency causes. The answer is brown heart disease. 17th question, maize crop is specially sensitive to soil moisture stress at anthesis stage. 18th question, yellow mosaic resistant variety of moong is. The answer is Pant Moong 4. Next question, which is not a synthetic auxin? IAA. 20 question, which crop is susceptible to deficiency of iron? The answer is rice. 21st question, drought tolerance in plants is due to. The answer is mitigating stress mechanism. 22nd question, at what time groundnut plant is self-pollinated? The answer is morning. 23rd question, control of weeds by weedicides in linseed is. The answer is MCPA. 24th question, the process of development of seed from anther is called. Androgenesis. 25th question. The most important technique for the production of virus-free seed is tissue culture. And more specifically, if asked, it is meristem culture. 26th question. One of the following is the seed-borne diseases. The answer is loose smut of wheat. Always remember, it is quite common to ask the question which is the internally seed-borne disease, which is the externally seed-borne disease. So examples of those is very important. Examples of those are very important. 27th question. The treatment of seeds with rhizobium culture and fungicides is done in. The answer is soybean. 28th question. The seed plot technique is followed in the seed production of. The answer is potato. 29th question. The seed plot technique is given by Pushkar Nadsur. Next question. The Central Seed Testing Laboratory is located at. The answer is New Delhi. 30th question. The isolation distance for the production of foundation seed in Bajra is. The answer is 1600 meters. Always remember to read the isolation distances while preparing for the National Seed Corporation examination. Isolation distances of almost all the crops are very important. Next question. In germination test, the commonly used term BP stands for between paper. Next question. Dithane M45 is a. The answer is it is a fungicide. 33rd question. In seed technology, the term ear means. It is the type of inflorescence. This question is repeated even in the senior trainee examination of 2019 also. There are some questions which are quite similar, and the same questions have been asked for trainee, senior trainee and management trainee examination. Some of the questions of the basic level are common in all the examinations. Next question. With a decrease of 10 degree Fahrenheit temperature, the storage potential of the seed is. The answer is doubled. Next question. The genetic purity of the seed is tested by grow-out test. Even this is the repeated question of senior trainee. Next question. Halna is a variety of. The answer is wheat. Next question. One of the seeds has the dormancy. The answer is groundnut. Next question. In quality seed, our primary concern is with. The answer is embryo. 39th question. One of the seeds is non-albuminous. The answer is lentil. In the senior trainee question paper, they have asked the examples of albuminous seeds, and in management trainee, you got the example of non-albuminous seeds. Try to concentrate on the concepts that are quite common in the examinations. Next question. One of the following category of seeds is not certified by certification agency. The answer is nucleus seed. Next question. The isolation distance for production of loose smut free seeds in wheat is. The answer is 150 meters. Friends, if you are interested in appearing for the mock tests or mock quiz, you can like the page Science for Agri course. Daily quiz will be updated there. The link will be given. Each quiz will be having approximately 20 questions. You can answer the questions, and even if you want the concept videos, the videos will be updated later on the YouTube channel, so that you can watch those videos. Try to subscribe to the channel Science for Agri course for more updates on the National Seeds Corporation. So next question is, delinting in cotton seed is required for. The answer is proper distribution of seed. 43rd question. The highly proteinous seed is. Answer is soybean. 44th question. Fluff is the seed produced in. Answer is sugarcane. 45th question. One of the following seed takes longest time to germinate. The answer is bitter gourd. 46th question. Caruncle is found in the seed of. The answer is castor. Next question. Aflatoxin is a disease afflicted in the seeds of. The answer is groundnut. Next question. Most common used fungicide for seed treatment is Agrosan GN. Mitosis occurs between G2 to G1. Next question. When there is crossing over between centromere and gene under consideration, the segregation of that gene takes place during anaphase 2. Next question. Renner complex is associated with Oenothera lamarckiana. Next question. Polyploidy in plant is induced by? The answer is colchicine. Next question. Q band is obtained by use of quinacrine mustard. 54th question. Which of the following histone is smallest? The answer is H4. Next question. DNA G is responsible for? The answer is primase. Next question. Nalidixic acid, an antibiotic, is an inhibitor of? The answer is DNA synthesis. Next question. Cossack is associated with? The answer is translation. 58th question. Frame shift mutation is caused by? The answer is acridin orange. 59th question. GCTA transversion is caused by? The answer is aflatoxin. 60th question. XYZ system of hybrid seed production in wheat was proposed by? The answer is Driscoll. 61st question. A double top cross refers to single cross open pollinated variety. Even this question is asked in the senior trainee examination of 2019. Next question. Development of embryo from antipodal cell is known as apogamy. Next question. Semigamy is found in cotton. 64th question. Hybrid necrosis in wheat is governed by two complementary genes. 65th question. The source of XA21 gene in rice is Oryza longostaminata. 66th question. Golden rice refers to the rice rich in beta carotene. 67th question. A breeding method which permits moderate inbreeding under moderate selection pressure is called mass pedigree selection. Next question. Triple test cross is an extension of NCD3. 69th question. Opaque 2 mutant of maize has high lysine and high tryptophan. The last question is 00 rapeseed mustard refers to low erucic and low glucosinolate types. Friends, if you are interested in attending the daily quiz of 20 questions, you can like the page Science for Agricourse on Facebook and you can follow the links and try to solve the quiz. If you find the video to be useful, like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel Science for Agricourse for more useful content. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook.